When Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani laid a claim to initially being the Mahdi, then the Messiah, and then the Nabi, one of the grand scholars of Darul Uloom Deoband, Allama Anwar Shah Kashmiri rahimahullah, he was one of those blessed by Allah. Allahu Akbar. There have been very few people like Allama Anwar Shah Kashmiri in throughout the history of this ummah, the way Allah had blessed him. He was a unique man. Allama Anwar Shah Kashmiri was amongst the foremost propagators of this issue of Khatam-e-Nubuwwat. And along with Allama Anwar Shah Kashmiri, Allama Iqbal, who also his origins come from Kashmir. And another famous personality who was with these noble people in highlighting this cause of Khatam-e-Nubuwwat and its struggle and protecting the aqidah of the finality of the Prophet of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was another famous and a great man by the name of Agha Shoresh Kashmiri. Now, if you look at the common factor, what's common factor between Allama Anwar Shah Kashmiri, Allama Iqbal and Shoresh Kashmiri? It is Kashmir. The valley of Kashmir. We salute you today for the work that you have done, or the sons that you produced who served in this field and protected the honor of Khatam-e-Nubuwwat. But today the valley of Kashmir is bleeding. Today the valley of Kashmir is on the verge of the greatest genocide in the history of humanity. But the rest of the ummah is sleeping. The rest of the ummah has forgotten these great heroes. They have forgotten where they came from, the great work that they have done. And in this Khatam-e-Nubuwwat conference in Manchester, under the guidance of Hazrat Allama Khalid Mahmood Sahab Damat Barakatuhum, may Allah honor our Shaykh, may Allah give him a long life, and may Allah preserve his shadow over us for many more years to